Morningside artists. Welcome to week 3 of art. I can't wait to show you what we're going to do this week. But first, we're going to get our supplies that are in that box right there, and we're going to do our sketch warm-up, which is right there. Okay, so today you need pencil, paper, and something to color with. You will also need a straight edge, meaning that something that's straight that will help you draw a straight line. Okay, but before you go get the supplies, let's do our sketch. Okay, our sketch warm-up is draw your favorite animal. So I'm going to draw my sketch, you draw your sketch, push pause, and we'll come back together and show. Alright, I drew my favorite animal. Remember that this is just a warm-up. It's not your project. You don't have to be perfect with it. It's just a quick sketch just to warm up those art muscles. So here is mine. I drew a butterfly because I absolutely love butterflies. And as you can see, it's a quick sketch. It's not a finished product. So I just opened up my art muscles and got warmed up so I can draw some more stuff. I can't wait to see yours. Send it to me so I can see your favorite animal. Don't forget your name. All right, let's start our lesson.